Hey everyone, Andrew here with Cerakote. Can you stencil with C-Series? Today we're going to show you how we stencil Cerakote on this solo stove and provide some tips and tricks for air cure stenciling along the way. For those of you who don't have an oven or are coating a part that's temperature sensitive, stenciling is totally doable with an air cure coating such as C-Series. But it will take longer than with an oven cure series such as H-Series. Today we'll be going through the process we use to coat this solo stove. It's a perfect candidate for C-Series because it gets hot, up to 1000 degrees, and because it needs high UV stability for baking out in the sun on your patio. We've decided to stencil the night sky over a mountain range. The first coat will be graphite black, which we're using to coat the entire solo stove. After application, the coating will need to air cure for the next 1 to 3 hours or until tack-free. It's important that each layer does not sit for more than 4 hours. The longer a coating cures, the less intercoat adhesion there will be for the next coating. Cure time is dependent on temperature and humidity. C-Series will cure faster in a warm and humid environment. As soon as the coating is tack-free, we'll need to apply our stencils and the next coating. For our stencils, we've printed this mountain outline and several tree cutouts. This stencil will only cover the section that we want to keep graphite black. Everything that is exposed will be covered with the next coating. The next coat we'll be applying is blue titanium. Since this is a lighter blue metallic, we want to feather it out, creating a slight gradient in the sky. So we'll start with a thicker coating around the stencil and spray less and less coating as we move upward. Now for the stars. Using bright white, we'll adjust the gun settings to 1 turnout on the fluid knob and nearly all the way closed on the air knob. This will spray small droplets of Cerakote across the sky. After the coating has cured for a few hours, it's time to remove the stencils and admire your work. C-Series becomes tack-free after a few hours, but fully cures after 5 days. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks and application videos. Thanks for watching.